Hi, I'm Anthony from Linkaprint, and I'm super excited to bring you our new WordPress plugin, which links you directly with TradePrint, one of the best UK TradePrint suppliers. Our plugin takes the stress out of selling print products online. Within just a few short clicks, you can add products directly from TradePrint. Our plugin is available now for WordPress, and Shopify is coming soon. To connect your WordPress site to TradePrint, simply buy the monthly or the yearly options. And don't worry, you have a 14-day money-back guarantee if it's not for you. As well as adding products from TradePrint, it also allows you to submit the orders directly to TradePrint, again saving you precious time. Our latest features include pricing grids, tooltips, and also the ability to add extra charges for items like file checking and design fees. Linkaprint really is your solution for selling print-on-demand products in the UK. Orders can be automatically delivered directly to your customer or to your print shop. Order Linkaprint today and take your print business to the next level. Getting set up is easy. Once purchased and activated, our unique help area will help you or your developer get started immediately. I can't wait to integrate Linkaprint into your business and to watch it grow. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to view the Contact Us area on the linkaprint.co.uk website. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you soon.